If you want to learn how to open the Elementor editor in WordPress, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest ways to launch Elementor, whether you're starting from your WordPress dashboard, inside the page editor, or even from the live site. This is one of those simple steps that can save you a lot of time, especially if you edit your website often. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's jump in. First, make sure you are logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. You need to be inside your site's backend, which usually means going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and signing in with your administrator account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. From there, go to Pages and then click All Pages. This will show you a list of every page on your website. Now find the page you want to edit with Elementor. You can hover your mouse over the page title, and when the action links appear, look for the blue option that says Edit with Elementor. Click that link and Elementor will start loading the visual page builder. After a moment, the screen will open the Elementor editor and you'll see the Elementor sidebar on the left side of the screen. That's where all your widgets, settings, and design tools are located. If you're already inside the WordPress page editor, there's an even faster method. When a page is open in the standard WordPress editor, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a large blue button labeled Edit with Elementor. Click that button and WordPress will reload the page directly into the Elementor editor. This is a great shortcut if you're already editing a page and don't want to go back to the full pages list. There's also another way to open Elementor from the live website. If you are logged in as an administrator and viewing your site as a visitor, check the black admin toolbar at the very top of the browser. In that toolbar, you should see a link that says Edit with Elementor. Clicking that link will take you straight into the builder for the page you're currently viewing. This is especially useful when you're browsing your site and notice something you want to update right away. If you don't see the Edit with Elementor option, there are a few things to check. First, make sure you are logged into the correct WordPress account with the right permissions. If you are not an administrator or editor, you may not have access to Elementor editing. Also, confirm that the Elementor plugin is installed and activated on your website. Without it, the edit button won't appear. And if the button still isn't showing, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Once Elementor opens, you can begin editing your page visually with drag and drop controls. You can add headings, images, buttons, sections, and more, all from the editor interface. The important first step is simply getting into the builder, and now you know 3 different ways to do that. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to edit your first Elementor page next.